Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will understand about how to decrease the oxidative stress. So first of all, we will understand about the oxidative stress and then we will understand about how it can decrease. So let's understand about that. Please make sure to subscribe, like and share if you are a new. What is the oxidative stress, and then we will understand how to decrease it. So according to me, the oxidative stress is basically the reactive oxygen species production which that will lead to cause tissue damage. And in this way, your basically the cell injury and the necrosis and apoptosis will occur. The oxidative stress also damage the DNA. Oxidative stress also progress the inflammation, and the chronic inflammation will lead to cause cancer and even the basically oncogenesis progression. The reactive oxygen species increase will lead to tissue damage, and in this way the mitochondrial dysfunction, which that is important for increase the reactive oxygen species. How? Because the electron transport chain when not work properly leak out the electron, and in this way the mitochondria, if not properly working, will lead to increase the reactive oxygen species. And in this way we can decrease the reactive oxygen species and due to the oxidative stress, and in this way the oxidative stress increase the reactive oxygen species, and we should properly biogenesis of mitochondria and repair of the mitochondria is too much important, like the electron transport chain of the mitochondria. So let's understand about how it can work and how to reverse. So how to reverse the mitochondrial dysfunction, even the mitochondrial damage, and we can understand the repair of the tissue. So let's understand about that. Basically, in your diet, the antioxidant is too much important, which that are present in the green vegetable. Antioxidant can be a vitamin, or on the other hand the molecule are like basically the ketones and other. But first of all, we will understand about the molecule and vitamin. And vitamin is the vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E. Basically, these all vitamin, like also A vitamin, it is the antioxidant, and it also provides the function of your body. So antioxidant means a lot more electron are present in the vitamin, or more excessive electron are present when this electron will donate easily, and it will not any deficiency of the electron, and reactive oxygen species will accept this electron to non-reactive oxygen species will occur. And in this way the basically is the pair of electron rather than the free electron. So the free radical will be clear, and it is due to the antioxidant. Remember about that. So antioxidant is too much important. Basically it is basically present in the green vegetable, protein, and on the other hand the fat. So fat also contain a fat soluble vitamin like vitamin K, E, A, and vitamin basically D, vitamin D. So this vitamin is important. On the other hand, the water soluble vitamin is C, vitamin B, which that is also important for the antioxidation. And in this way the antioxidation process will be clear. In this way, the simple to understand that the normal green vegetables is important for decrease the inflammation and antioxidation. On the other hand, important thing you should need to understand the ketogenic diet. Ketogenic diet improve the vitamin D, vitamin K, vitamin E, and vitamin A, and vitamin basically on the other hand the fat soluble vitamin. And in this way the vitamin will increase. In this way the basically antioxidant process will trigger, and the ketogenic diet also increase the ketones production, ketones which that decrease the inflammation and oxidative stress. In this way the ketones is too much important, which that trigger due to the ketogenic diet. And also fasting. So the fasting, whenever you will go into the fasting, the ketones produced from your adipose tissue will convert, and in this way produce the ketones is known as the ketogenesis. Then ketogenesis when increase, in this way the basically the ketones will produce more, and that ketone will be basically used as an energy, and also it work for the antioxidation process. And this is the fasting. And the exercise also decrease the antioxidation. It is also increase the antioxidant process. Why? Because it will consume the energy, extra energy. On the other hand, the stored fat will be break down, and the beta oxidation will progress. This beta oxidation, rather than the glycolysis, basically glycolysis produce more inflammation as compared to the fat metabolism. So the fat metabolism when increase, so the oxidative stress will be decreased. So important thing is that the stress-free environment also inhibit this. On the other hand, the inhibition of the overeating and the bad food eating habit, which that also damage the mitochondria and the metabolism. And in this way, you can improve the mitochondrial biogenesis through fasting. Fasting improves the biogenesis of the mitochondria due to the activation of the PGC1 alpha. The PGC1 alpha triggers the biogenesis of the mitochondria, even the healthy mitochondria, while the unhealthy mitochondria will not progress and not maintain because the mTOR pathway will inhibit during the fasting. And the mTOR pathway will, when inhibit, the mitochondrial biogenesis will be triggered. I hope you make sense about that. If you like my video, please make sure to subscribe, like and share. In this video, we have discussed about the fasting, ketogenic diet and exercise. Basically, exercise also important for the antioxidation and how to decrease the oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can decrease due to the fasting, ketogenic diet, and on the other hand the exercise. Fasting, ketogenic diet and exercise. These three things is very important, even grow your muscle and lose your fat. On the other hand, a lot more important things you should need to understand. So see in the next video. For this time, bye. Allah.